friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we will understand about variable expressivity. In the last video we learned about penetrance, and what do we mean by penetrance is though polydactyly gene is a dominant gene, but if the gene is found in 100 people, the observation was that only 43 people have this extra finger, though the genotype is a dominant one. So the penetrance is 43% or 0.43%. Now, all these 43 people may not have the same length of that extra finger. So that is known as variable expressivity. Penetrance is how many individual expresses that phenotype, and variable expressivity means the expression level of that phenotype. That means all the 43 people, those who are having an extra finger, it's not like that all of them will have the same length of that extra finger. Some will have a, say for example, length of 1 centimeter, some will have a 5 centimeter. So they will have a different length of that extra finger, and that difference in expression is known as variable expressivity. Now, why variable expressivity? Why it happens that different individuals are expressing the genes in different levels? That is because of the environmental conditions, which can be an external condition or an internal condition. External condition may include temperature, pH, light, etc. Internal condition may include internal pH, temperature, various chemicals or molecules found in our body like enzymes, hormones. So all this affects the expression level of a particular gene. Now, this situations or such environmental conditions will not affect all the genes. For example, our blood group genes. Such genes are not affected by any internal or external condition. It is not like that in cold weather, if I am having A blood group, in the summer season, my blood group will change from A to B. So there are genes where such environmental conditions don't affect its expressivity level. But there are genes where the expression level changes depending upon the environmental condition. For example, the genes for mustache get affected. Now, how it get affected? Though females also have the gene for mustache, but only the males develop the phenotype. So that is a difference in their expressivity because of difference in their internal environment. Because girls do not develop this phenotype because of their internal environment, like more of estrogen and less of testosterone. In boys also, or in males also, if we see, there is a difference in their expressivity. Some will have more and some will have less mustache. So this all depends upon the internal and the external environmental condition that affects the expression level of a particular gene. So penetrance is how many individual is having that character or that phenotype. So that is percentage of individual expressing a particular phenotype. And variable expressivity, it means the expression level of that phenotype. So this is the difference between penetrance and variable expressivity. Now, this is the gene for polydactyly, a dominant gene. Suppose we have a case 1 where we observe that 10 out of 5 individuals only developed extra finger, but all the fingers are of same length. This is our case 1. Case 2, we found that all the 10 individuals developed extra finger, but of different length. Case 3, 5 out of 10 individuals developed extra fingers, but with different length. So we have 3 cases. Case 1, 5 out of 10 expressed the phenotype and also with the same length. Case 2, all 10 out of 10 individuals express the phenotypes, but the length of the fingers are different. Case 3, where 5 out of 10 individuals are having the extra fingers and all the fingers are of different length. Now, your homework is to, for each cases, you have to tell me what is the penetrance. Is it complete or incomplete? And what is the expressivity? Is it uniform or non-uniform? For case 2, what is the penetrance? Is it complete or incomplete? And what is the expressivity? Is it uniform or non-uniform? Similarly, for case 2 as well as for case 3. Do let me know in the comment section. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.